Hey guys, welcome back to Fun with Arnav. And today we got this Hot Wheels track builder. So we're gonna build a track. So let's open it. We're gonna put the track. And one more. So let's build the track. So and one more. Right here. Okay guys, we're done with our track. Now it's time to test it with the Hot Wheels car. So I have a bunch of Hot Wheels cars right here. You could see it's right here. And now I'm gonna put this track right over here in the table. So I'm gonna put the track. Let me get some teams. Okay, then we're gonna put the thing right here. Look at the track, guys. Now it's time to test it with the Hot Wheels car. We're gonna this one is one of my favorites. Do you know why? Because if you take this, it can take it off. You can take a part of this car off, then put it on back. And the cool about this thing is that this goes super fast. So let's give it a go. Let me put this. Okay. So here. Okay. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Do you see that? How fast it did? It go. Then we have a lot of Hot Wheels cars to test on. Let's test it with this car. This is Zombot, and this is actually a alien or robot. It actually stands up. Look, see? That's super cool. This car is actually super cool. Now we're gonna start trying with this car. 3, 2, 1. That was cool, awesome. Now we're gonna try with this red car. 3, 2, 1. That was extremely fast. Now we're gonna try with this car. This is actually an old car. This is super old. Okay, let's start with it. 3, 2, 1. It was good. I'm gonna try with this car. It looks like a Mr. Bean's car, right? 3, 2, 1. That was extremely good. We have a lot of cars to do. So how about we do 3 of them at the same time? Did you notice the purple one? The purple one was actually fast. So the winner is this purple car. It was like extremely fast than the blue one. Do you see the blue one right here? Yeah, that was our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to watch more of these Hot Wheels videos, you need to do 3 important facts or things. You have to subscribe, click the notification bell, and click the like button to see more of these Hot Wheels videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will not see you not tomorrow but the next day in the brand new video.